Welcome to AT in MEP. Without MEP, a building is just concrete. MEP gives it life and comfort. 1. Basic qualification. Educational background. B.Tech or diploma in mechanical, electrical, or civil engineering. MEP involves coordination among all three trades. However, if you want to become an expert, you should specialize in one core area: HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning; firefighting; plumbing, PHE; electrical. 2. Core technical knowledge by discipline. A. Mechanical, HVAC and firefighting. You must understand 1. Heat load calculation, ASHRA standards. Formula: Q is equal to area times heat load factor. Concepts: TR, tonnage of refrigeration; CFM, COP, sensible and latent heat. 2. Air flow and duct design. Duct sizing, velocity and equal friction methods. 3. Chilled water system, CHWS and CHWR. Piping, valves, insulation, balancing. 4. Equipment knowledge. AHU, FCU, chiller, cooling tower, pumps, dampers. 5. Firefighting systems. Pump room layout, jockey and main pumps, sprinkler, hydrant, riser system. 6. Standards, ASHRA, NFPA, SMACNA, ASME. B. Electrical. Key areas to master. 1. Load calculation, lighting, power, HVAC, firefighting. 2. Cable sizing and voltage drop. 3. Transformer, DG set, MDB, SMDB, DB layouts. 4. Earthing and lightning protection systems. 5. BMS automation integration. 6. Standards, IEC, IS, NEC. C. Plumbing and drainage, PHE. Understand these systems. 1. Water supply design. Pump selection, tank sizing, booster system. 2. Drainage and vent system. Slope, traps, cleanouts. 3. Storm water system. 4. Hot and cold water line layout. 5. Codes, UPC, IPC, IS 2065, IS 1742. 3. Drawing and documentation skills. You should be able to read and prepare single line diagram, SLD. P&ID, piping and instrumentation diagram. Schematic layouts. As-built drawings. MEP coordination drawings. Important software tools. Software use. AutoCAD 2D drafting and layout. Revit MEP 3D modeling and coordination. HAP carrier heat load calculation. Dialux lighting design. ATUP electrical load flow. Excel BOQ, load sheets, cost estimation. 4. Site and practical knowledge. You should know how to install and test HVAC, electrical, plumbing systems. Perform pressure testing, flushing, balancing, insulation. Handle testing and commissioning, T&C, procedures. Prepare QA/QC documents, MER, WIR, ITP, NCR closeout. Coordinate with civil, finishing, and architectural teams. 5. Documentation and project management. BOQ, bill of quantity and material takeoff. Work progress reports. Method statements and risk assessments. As-built documentation. Vendor and subcontractor coordination. 6. Important field knowledge. Field key parameters. HVAC TR calculation, CFM, ESP, balancing. Electrical load, cable size, breaker rating. Plumbing flow rate, pipe diameter, slope. Firefighting head loss, pressure testing. BMS sensor control, system integration. 7. Codes and standards, must know. Discipline standards. HVAC Ashra, SMACNA, DW, 144. Firefighting NFPA, NBC. Plumbing IPC, IS 2065. Electrical IC, IS. NEC. 8. Career Growth Path. 1. Junior Engineer Site Engineer. 2. MEP Engineer QAQC Engineer. 3. Project Engineer MEP Coordinator. 4. MEP Manager Design Engineer. 5. MEP Consultant Project Manager. 9. Soft Skills and Management. Drawing Reading and Interpretation. Client and Consultant Coordination. Time Management. Leadership and Safety Awareness. Cost Estimation.